We've all heard of tail lights and the unmatched protection they give to cyclists. That's why I'm super stoked to be sharing with you the brightest and smartest tail light ever created. A new light to the market. The Cliq's engineered optics, Ultrabright LEDs, motion detection and Bluetooth connectivity features makes your riding experience seamless and convenient. The Cliq light has internal reflection lenses and OSRAM LEDs. These LEDs shine like no other and are commonly used in planes. Generic tail lights have single LEDs that expose you to dangerous side collisions. Cliq has 3 LEDs that are brightly visible from both rear, sides, and from what I've seen, riders are even visible from the front. With your riding route and weather being unique, the Cliq app helps to customize your LED glows. Turn those flashes up if you're dealing with fog or keep them steady in dry desert nights. When you're off your bike, the app will also detect any harsh, unfamiliar movements, sending you an instant alarm and keeping your ride safe. One of the biggest selling points for this light is its groundbreakingly smart AI. The Cliq automatically knows when you brake, triggering a brake light to protect you from vehicles and riders behind. Cliq's Smart AI also lets you synchronize your flashing pattern with nearby Cliq lights. You and your mates will stand out as a group. And don't worry about the fit. 3 different connectors let you mount Cliq on any seat post, no matter the bike. So if cycling is a part of your life, I 100% recommend for you to go check out this incredible light that will give you a lifetime of safe riding. The Cliq light is now available at Pushys online. Go check out the website at pushys.com.au for all the best deals.